You're welcome to this class, and on the board we have a little challenge here on quadratic equation. All right, so from here the question says solve x squared equal to 2x plus 15. What we'll do here is to move all the terms on the right hand side to the left hand side because we want to use the method of factorization. So let's proceed. All right. So from here, this will give us x squared. Here we have invisible plugs. So we have plus 2x to the other side of the equation. Then this gives you minus 2x. Then we also bring this other one down to this other side. This gives you minus 15 equal to 0. Now that we have this in place, what we do? We have to think of two numbers that when we multiply together, it will give us minus 15. Then add these two numbers together, will give us minus 2x. How do we get such numbers? All we need to do is to bring out the constant term. And the constant term here is 15. So here, I write out my 15 somewhere here. So what are the numbers that can go into 15 without remainder? Here we have 1, 3, 5, and 15 itself. Remember, every number is a factor of itself. 1 is a factor of every number. Now that we have this now, we think of two numbers from this set of numbers that when you multiply together, we give you 15. Add them together to give you minus 2. So from here, I'll pick 3 and 5. So if we have 3 and 5, let's have here 3 and 5. The next thing we look at here is the signs to be assigned to this two number. If I decide to put a plus sign here and a minus sign here, we proceed. Plus 3 times minus 5 is going to give us minus 15. And here we are having minus 15. That is right, which is correct. Then we proceed to the addition. Plus 3, we have plus 3, then minus 5. In other words, you are having 3 with you, a number or the money you have with you, then minus 5 as the money you are owing someone. By the time you pay off this 3, you still be owing 2 naira. Hence, it confirms with this minus 2 here. So all we need to do is to impute the whole of this in place of minus 2x. So that gives us x squared plus 3x minus 5x minus 15 all equal to 0. From this stage, what we do here is to group the terms into two or pairs. So this will give us this come together. We now factorize what is common to these terms in the bracket. Hence the name, factorization. All right? So we proceed. If we look at this term here, x is common here, x is common here. So we bring out x. Here we have 5 is common here, 5 is equally common here. So we also bring out 5. So this now implies x bracket. If you factorize x out here, you'll still be left with what? X. There plus factorize x from here, you are left with 3. There minus 5, like we said before, is common to this. So we bring out 5 here, put in bracket. There 5 into 5x will give us x. Then take note of this. Here we are having a minus sign here. Use this minus sign to multiply whatever sign you have in here. And inside here, we are having another minus sign. And from your elementary mathematics, we were told that minus times minus gives us plus. So same thing is going to be applied here. So here we turn to plus. So 5 into 15 gives us 3 or equal to 0. Now, take a critical look at this question. This expression here now. You will now have discovered that Here in the bracket, we're having a plus 3, and here we're also having a plus 3. So since both brackets are carrying the same terms, pick one term and take this and this out. So this now implies that x plus 3, the this and this out, x minus 5 or equal to 0. At this point, equate both terms to 0. So this will now give us x plus 3 equal to 0 or x minus 5 equal to 0. Very simple. Now that we have this, we are looking for x, not x plus 3. So we want x to stand on the left-hand side, while every other thing on the right-hand side. We move this plus 3 to the right-hand side and move this minus 5 to the right-hand side. Hence, the first one is going to give us x is equal to minus 3. Minus crosses the sign of equality. It turns to plus crosses the sign of equality, it turns to minus. There we have here x equal to plus 5. So the two numbers that are part of the equation that are solved from the question, we have this. Now implies that x equal to minus 3 or 5. These are the two solutions to this quadratic equation using factorization method. All right, so this is all I have for you for today. Okay, so if you have learned something good from this challenge, from this solving, then you can give the video thumbs up. Or you are not clear in the process of explanation, you can drop a comment, a question in the comment section. Okay, there you can equally give us a kudos. This is All I Must TV. All right, and we love you. I Jakes love you. Stay glued to this channel, and you will like mathematics, and you will know